In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to clean up your WordPress database. Doing regular cleanups allows you to reduce your database size, which means quicker and smaller backup files. Now, to do this, first you need to install and activate the WP Sweep plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Tools and click on Sweep. The Sweep report is divided into different sections for your posts, comments, user meta, options, terms, and database optimize. You can go through items and clean them individually, or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Sweep All to clean up everything in your WordPress database. So just click here on Sweep All. Cleaning up may take some time depending on how big your database is. But this is how you can clean up your WordPress database. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.